In this lecture, we'll try to understand how you can select the data from the table. In our last lecture, we have created a table. And now this is a time where we want to see the records from that table. So let me show you. So if I just want to show you the column of the table, we can use this describe command, which will tell you about the column details of the table. The name of the table was test table. Here you can see there are ID and name are there. Now I want to paste the record of this table. So we can use this select statement. Select star from test table, table name. This is actually the syntax of your table. What I can see that select star. Star means I want to select all the column. Now there are two columns are there, ID and name from test table, from this table. So I got all the records. Now here we can see that there are only two records are there. That is why we can see the records like this. Let's assume that you have lot of columns are there. Let's say that you have 100 column. Now it is not possible for us, to see those column in a single window. So basically what we will do, we will select some of the column and then we can do the select statement on that. Let's say I just want the name. I just want name. I don't want to see the ID. So how to do that? Select column name that you want to select, that is name in our case, from then test table. Okay. So what is the result? The result is only name, and this is a second record. Only you got the name record. Now when you do the Oracle database installation, some of the tables will be created automatically, like $V database, DSC $V database. This is also one of the table. Now in that table you can see there are multiple columns are there, many columns are there. If I do select star from $V database, I will be able to see all the columns, but you can see that the formatting is not looking good, and whatever information you are looking for, that will not looks perfect. Okay, so I want to see some specific column. Let's say select, let me show you that, DSC wheel order database. Now among that I want to select the first column, that is name, and I want to select one more column that is called open underscore mode, this one. So I'll just do that, open underscore mode from $V database. If I fire this command, this is going to tell me about the name of my database, that is prime, and currently this database is read write. Read write means this database is up and running. So here we understood how you can use the select with the specific column name, or you can also use select with the star. Star means all the columns data you will be able to see over here. So depending on situation, sometime we will select few columns, sometimes we will select all the columns where the number of columns are already less. So in our test table already we have only two columns. So in that case we can use select star from test table. Alright, this is how you can use the select statement to see the data from the table. Thank you.